Hey, what's up everybody? I'm excited to talk about something that's close to my heart and has the potential to transform your life. Today we're going to explore the ancient wisdom of the Bible and how it can help you build wealth from scratch. You guys, this isn't just about making money, it's about living a life of abundance and purpose. Now, let's talk about the power of tithing. You know, I've seen firsthand how giving back can, pave the way for abundance. I remember meeting a woman who was struggling financially, but she decided to start tithing 10% of her income. At first it seemed crazy, right? But within months, she saw unexpected opportunities and blessings flow into her life. The Bible teaches us about embracing generosity as a foundation for financial growth. Think about the story of the widow's mite. She gave everything she had, and Jesus praised her faith. Now, stewardship is huge, you guys. Biblical stewardship is all about managing what you have with wisdom and intention. It's like, being the CEO of your own life and resources. God entrusts us with talents, time, and treasures, and it's our job to multiply them. Let's talk about the role of faith in prosperity. Trusting God's plan for your financial journey is like having the ultimate business partner. Faith fuels persistence and hope, even when things get tough. I want to challenge you to see every financial decision through the lens of faith. Ask yourself, am I honoring God with this choice? Here's something crucial: overcoming the scarcity mindset. The Bible is full of verses that encourage an abundance mentality. Philippians 4:19 says, "And my God will meet all your needs according to the riches of His glory in Christ Jesus." That's powerful, right? When we shift our thinking from lack to abundance, we open ourselves up to new opportunities and blessings. All right, you guys, we've covered a lot of ground today. From tithing and generosity to stewardship and faith, these biblical principles have the power to transform your finances. I want to challenge you to take action on what you've learned. Start with one principle. Maybe it's tithing or improving your stewardship. Apply it consistently and watch how it changes your life. Remember, true wealth isn't just about money. It's about living a life of purpose and abundance. Let's go out there and create the prosperity God has in store for us.